Hello viewers, Namaste. Welcome to Yoga with Sajo series of Yogasanas. I hope you have watched my first video, Exercise Before Yoga, and carried out the exercises that your body gets used to. In today's video, we will start with 5 basic Yogasanas with body relaxation, which altogether are useful for your mind and health. These yogasanas can be done by all ages of people. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel Yoga with Saju and do not forget to ring the bell. Before starting, wear a comfortable outfit and spread a mat on the floor. First, we start with relaxing our toes. Sit on the mat, spreading your legs forward and keep your hands behind. Bend your toes forward, then backward, and relax your toes like this. Then rotate your toes from left to right. Then right to left. Do this exercise 10 times. First asana is Baddha Konasana, the bound angle pose. Stretch your legs in front. Bend your legs from your knees towards your body and hold your legs with your hands like this. Hold this posture for 15 seconds. This asana helps to stimulate your abdominal organs and kidneys. It also helps to stimulate your heart and improves your general circulation. It stretches your inner thigh and knees. The next asana is Akarna Dhanurasana. In this asana, we have 2 types. Type 1, stretch your legs in front. Hold your left toe with your left hand and right toe with your right hand. Stretch your left leg upward, bend it from your knee and try to touch your left ear, keeping your right leg and back straight. Repeat the same process for right leg and hold it for 15 seconds. Type 2. Touch your left toe with your right hand, bend it from your knee and try to touch your right ear. Touch your right toe with your left hand, keeping your right leg and back straight. Repeat the same process from another leg. Hold this asanas for 15 seconds. This asana focuses on the flexibility of your thigh, neck, shoulder, spine, chest and abdominal muscles. It treats indigestion problems and it also improves the digestion process. Next asana is Paschimottanasana. Stretch your legs in front. Stretch your hands up. Bend forward towards your knee and try to touch your toes with your hands. Hold this posture for 15 seconds. This asana calms the brain and helps to relieve stress and mild depression. It stimulates liver, kidney. It stretches the spine and shoulders. Now slowly come up and relax. Next asana is Pawan Muktasana. For this asana, lie on your back. Fold your leg towards your chest and press your legs with your hands. Touch your chin to your knees. Hold this asana for 20 seconds. This asana helps in releasing trapped gases and improves digestion. It strengthens the back and tones the muscles of arms and legs. This asana helps in relieving back pain. For the next asana, we stand up. We are going to do Tadasana. Stretch your hands in front, cross your fingers, then stretch your hands up and lift your heels, putting your whole body weight on your toes. Hold this asana for 15 to 20 seconds. This asana helps to increase height. It stimulates nervous system, improves body posture and balance, strengthens ankles, knees, thighs, arms and legs. These were the 5 basic yogasanas, but this is not the end. We have to do the main thing after yoga, Shavasana. For that, lie on your back and keep your legs comfortably apart and relax your feet, knees and toes. Place your palms alongside, little apart from your body. Leave palms open, facing upward. Close your eyes, slide your neck on one side. Slowly inhale and exhale. Relax your whole body. Do this for 1 minute. This helps to calm the brain and relieve the stress. It also helps to maintain the lower blood pressure. Due to this, you will feel fresh. Now turn to your left side and get up. We further do pranayam. I will gradually show you in my next video the pranayam. So viewers, I have explained you the right technique, pose and benefits of 5 basic yogasanas: Baddha Konasana, Akarna Dhanurasana, Paschimottanasana, Pawan Muktasana, Tadasana and Shavasana for relaxing your body after yoga. So friends, please like and subscribe my channel and do not forget to ring the bell that you will get notified when I upload my next video. We meet again in my next video with the series of yogasanas, Yoga with Sajo. Till then, stay tuned. Namaste.